Tunajua vizuri kwamba Aisha Jumwa hana bunduki wala hana lisensi ya kuwa na bunduki. Kwa hivyo si yeye kwamba alishoot huyo jamaa. Tunasema kwamba haki iwe kwa kila mmoja na haki iweze kupatikana.
Also, Aisha Jumwa has a right to be bailed, to be given bail, and to be informed why she's being held and allowed to be able to see her family. Her sister and her daughter were not allowed to accompany her into the police station. Again, that is an illegality.
Any person is free to vie and be voted for, and therefore let them not attempt to use violence. We shall not allow that.